Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to this episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be discussing the impacts of mulching, so please stay tuned.
Hey, real quick today, just wanted to talk about mulch. It's getting really warm here in central Texas, and one thing I do notice is that my ground is drying up really quickly because of it being hit by direct sunlight. And this, I could see I made a little mistake earlier when I planted some tomatoes, and I didn't mulch around them. And normally what I do is I put down some type of organic mulch around my tomatoes and other warm season crops. Why? That it helps to keep the moisture in the soil. Over time, it will break down and become humus in the soil, breaking down and add to the organic body of the soil. And then the third thing is it suppresses the weeds that might grow around my tomatoes or other nightshades that I have planted. Some people might use a plastic type of mulch, maybe a weed blocker. I don't do that because my yard is so small. But mulch is very important because you don't want the sun hitting your soil directly. You want to have some type of barrier or some type of plant material that will prevent the soil from directly hitting, prevent the sun from directly hitting your soil and drying it up and making it like a cap or really just robbing the nutrients out of your soil by just drying it up. So you want to protect your soil with mulch. You should never have bare soil in your garden. Use some type of mulch, and if you have grass growing there, let it grow, because it will also keep the nutrients in your soil and not just let it run off the next time it rains. And that's just one point I just want to talk about mulch today. We'll come back and we'll talk about some more.